Are you having trouble focusing or staying confident? Hi, I'm Dory with Next Stage Drumming. If you've been following me for some time, you'll know that I use drumming for health and wellness. Well, it seems that no matter what age I'm working with, many people seem to lack confidence and focus. And I find that that's because of three main things. Number one, they're underestimating their abilities. Someone told them somewhere along the line that they couldn't do something, and they believed it. Number two, they are not living in the now. They're either thinking about the past or they're way ahead in the future, but they're not in the present moment. And number three, they're making things harder than it needs to be. They're adding way too many things to the mix. So what I do is I come up with some easy beats and rhythms to help them release. And I might start with something really basic, like maybe a 5-beat pattern, 2 bass, 3 slaps. Ready? Right? Easy enough, right? And then I'll sneak in some extra beats and make things more challenging as we go. So you might have something like this. All right, did you get it? Uptown Funk is in my head, so that's what you got. I like the chorus of that song because "Don't believe me, just watch" is what a lot of people need to adapt and adopt that mantra, because a lot of people really don't realize what gifts and talents they bring to the table. And hey, if you can drum some easy beats and rhythms on an instrument that you've never touched before, wow, imagine what else you can do. So it gets these people to think about that, because then they wonder, where else was I underestimating myself, right? And they begin to think outside of the box. They begin to release and have fun and not overthink things. And before you know it, we're busting out grooves. We might be jamming a bit. They might take a solo. And again, you start really easy and basic and you add on to that. And it really does help you boost your confidence. So if you need any more information or any more help, just reach out to me, Dory, D-O-R-I, at nextstagedrumming.com, and I could give you a few tips and pointers and talk about how drum therapy can work for you. But in the meantime, let's add some extra beats to that. It's actually 2 songs in one, but don't be hating, it wasn't totally Uptown Funk. Anyway, hope you're having fun. Keep on rocking, my friends. Talk to you again soon.